Hey guys, welcome back to a Roblox tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own feedback system that will be linked on Discord. Okay, so basically the system works with a sign. There will be a sign in workspace where the player can just use proximity prompt, open the GUI, write whatever he wants to say to you so you can improve the game. Basically just submit it, and on Discord you will now receive the notification from the player and the feedback. Now let's set up the model. You can either get it in the toolbox or in the description below. So once you've got it, you can just go in toolbox, then go in the models you actually have, get the feedback system. Here we go, we got this. Now all we have to do is ungroup every model where it is set to be. So replicate the storage here, then we have server script service here, and finally the GUI. We can also ungroup this one. Here we go, then we can delete the rest. So that's basically our sign, right? So before we do anything with this system, you will need to go into the settings, then you will have to publish it. Then go back in game settings, go into security, and allow HTTP request. And this is pretty important because otherwise it will not work. Okay, so once that's done, we can just press play. So as you guys can see, we have the sign, which we can have many in games, right, with the proximity prompt. This will open the GUI of the feedback system, but also giving you guys a button. If you guys don't want signs and just want a GUI with it, you can just get a button when you click on it. It will just open the GUI as well, and it works perfectly the same as the sign. So let's test it. If we go here and we write feedback system, right, I click submit. Then if I go on this random group I created, just so you guys can just understand how it works, you can see that on this channel there's a new message that comes from me, and it's exactly the same text. So it does work perfectly, but we do need to adapt this to your Discord, otherwise I'll receive all the notifications, which won't really help you. So to check this setting, what you want to do is go in server script service, feedback system. Okay, so here we go, we got the web node URL, which is very important because this is what it's basically the address of your Discord, right? So this is very important, and we are going to see that right now. Okay, so here we are. This is a test server on Discord. I already had the feedback that I used previously, but I will create a new one with you guys. Just right click here, create a new saloon. Let's go with text, and for the name, let's name it test. Okay, so here you go, we got the test right here. Then go in modify, then from modify just go to integration, then you will go and see webhooks, right? So you do create a webhook. So here you go, you got a webhook that was just created. Then go into copy URL of webnode, right? So once that copied, you will want to go into the description where I gave you this proxy, because Roblox doesn't let you connect your Discord to Roblox. So basically what you want to do is just paste the URL you just copied from the previous Discord page, right? And then you have a link here which you are going to copy. This is very important because this is the link you will use on the script. So now back on Discord, what you want to do is just completely replace this URL, right? So here we go. And now this should be all for the setting. If you go back and test the game, and here we go back to the sign, open feedback, roll random text, press submit. Here we go, feedback received. And if I go back on Discord, here we go, we got this new message from me on this new test saloon. So guys, I hope this was useful. Get the model in the description. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.